Hello, this will be a video about fixing an Acer V5-573G. So what happens? We have the DC jack connector here. We connect our bench power supply, and the moment we connect, we can hear the power supply switching, and it's lowering the voltage and going max on the amperage. So that means there is a short on the main power line probably, and we hope that it's a short capacitor or maybe one of the MOSFETs on the main power line. We're gonna disassemble the laptop. We're gonna see. Sorry about that. The shop is open, so if somebody comes in, I'm gonna pause the video and start again when I'm done. So we'll remove all the screws and we hope to see something burned, not the spear. Let's see. We're gonna disconnect the battery. Always disconnect the battery. We're gonna also remove the CMOS. First, we're gonna do a physical inspection of the board to see if anything seems burned. that this is the problem, but the button that resets the battery, this one, is stuck and you cannot press it. Let's check if it's stuck in the on position. Yes, it's stuck in the on position. Probably have to replace this when the board is fixed. So nothing seems burned, so we're gonna do a basic check to see if we find anything shorted. Let's connect the power supply, and yes, we still have a short. Let's disconnect everything we can to see if there is any difference. Then I remove the battery in order to disconnect the rest of the flex cables. Disconnect the speakers. Another short break. So we disconnected everything. Let's try again. Short it again. I think I'm gonna remove the motherboard to see if there's anything on the other side. So I'll have to remove the heatsink, probably. So we have the motherboard out. And let's see if there's anything earned. So we can very easily see. I'll show in the microscope. We probably found what's causing the short. Let me show you. In the microscope. Now we are here. That doesn't look very good. So we're gonna remove it and see if anything changes. We add a little bit of flux. We're gonna take our wick. We're gonna wait for our solder iron to get hot. We're gonna add some wick so it's easier to remove. We're gonna remove it and then we're gonna test again if we have a short. I think this side is probably burned and it's not making a very good connection. I think that's enough. We're gonna take our tweezers and we're gonna hit. We have to be careful because the fan is near and we don't want to melt anything. So we're gonna put the hot gun on the other side so air doesn't go near the fan. Okay, capacitor is out, so now we can measure the capacitor. The capacitor is here somewhere. Let me find it. Yeah, that's not a very good capacitor, right? Not good looking. Yeah, let's short it. Let's test our motherboard. And look at that, no more short. So we're gonna test if we have a short. We're gonna connect our power supply and no more short. So let's see if this was a 90 volt. Yes. So it was shorted on the main 90 volt line, probably after the first two MOSFETs. And I think the power button is on the side of the flex cable. Let's put it really quickly inside. Test. Just to see if it boots. And then we're gonna add the capacitor that's missing. So the power button is here. We're just gonna connect the flex cable. So we're okay. Let's put something under here. We're gonna connect the power adapter. I think that we're gonna remove. We're also gonna remove this power button that I told you in the beginning. If you see, it's kind of broken and it's always on, so it's sending a signal to always reset the battery, and that's not very good. Add some flux. We can wick the connections, and because we're gonna discard the power button, we can wick the power button as well. The more the better. No more power button. Let's test again. Is there flags here? So power button is connected, and yes, oh, you can't see very well, sorry. We have fan spin. I'll show you again. So probably if I put the RAM and I show you the screen like that, let's make sure nothing is shorted. No. Here. The power supply. We press the power button. And do we have anything? Nothing on the screen. No. You see the screen flickering. Yes, and we have the boot logo. Let me show you that. It's this motherboard we are testing, and that's it for this video. I'm gonna replace the capacitor I removed that was shorted. I'm gonna change the thermal paste and reassemble the laptop. Thank you for watching.